New York City, the city that never sleeps and where street food reigns supreme. Forget fancy restaurants. The real action is on the sidewalks, where hot dogs sizzle, pretzels steam, and pizza slices are bigger than my head. Street food is a sensory overload, sizzling onions, spices in the air, and food trucks painting the avenues with color. It's not just about eating, it's about the energy, the hustle, and sharing stories over a paper plate. This is a melting pot of cultures and flavors, all for a few bucks. But get ready, because there's a new chef in town, armed with lasers and algorithms. That's right, 3D printed food is about to shake up the culinary world. The future of food in New York just got a whole lot more interesting. "3D printed food might sound like sci-fi, but it's real and it's here. Imagine ordering from a food truck and watching a machine build your meal layer by layer just for you. Customization is the name of the game. Gluten-free crusts, split toppings, minimal waste. But can a machine capture the soul of street food? The smoky aroma, the crunch, the secret sauce? Let's find out if this tech revolution can match the flavor of the classics. Here's how 3D food printing works. Swap the chef's knife for a keyboard and the stove for a printer. Instead of ink, it uses edible purees and pastes loaded into cartridges. A computer guides the printer, building your meal layer by layer with precision. The result? Intricate designs and textures you never thought possible. Sure, it's pricey now, but like all tech, it's getting cheaper and more accessible. Soon, 3D food printing could be in restaurants, food trucks, and even your kitchen. The real magic? Customization. Want a burger shaped like your favorite celebrity or a pizza spelling your name? Done. 3D printing tailors food to your dietary needs and preferences. Just input your info and let the printer work. It's a game changer for reducing food waste, turning leftovers into edible art. Chefs get new tools to create edible sculptures and intricate designs. This is culinary innovation at its wildest. The future of food is as creative as you can imagine. But how does 3D printed food taste? Right now it nails presentation and precision, but flavor and texture can be hit or miss. Imagine a beautiful cookie that feels like a rice cake. Impressive, but not quite my regular recipe. Still, food scientists are working to make it tastier and more satisfying. It's a fusion of tech and tradition, and it's evolving fast. One day, your favorite food truck might serve up a 3D printed taco. It's a culinary showdown. Classic street food versus futuristic 3D eats. Street food is all about bold, immediate flavors and messy, delicious chaos. 3D printed food? Still working on matching that flavor punch, but it's catching up fast. Scientists are racing to make 3D food as tasty as it looks. The battle for your taste buds is just heating up. Let's talk money. 3D food printing is still expensive. Think sports car, not street cart. Street food wins on affordability and accessibility. But as 3D printing tech gets cheaper, it'll become more common. For vendors, it could mean faster prep, less waste, and new menu possibilities. The sweet spot? Where tech and tradition meet. The future could be delicious and efficient. Here's the big question. Can a robot replicate the soul of street food? Street food is about family, tradition, and memories. Grandma's dumplings, late-night hot dogs, stories in every bite. Food is connection, not just fuel. Technology can't replace that heart, but it can add new chapters to the story. The future of food is a wild ride. Let's see where it goes. Picture this. A futuristic food truck, neon lights, robotic arms, and 3D printers at work. Order through an app, customize every detail, and get your meal made to order. The system remembers your preferences, your own food genie on wheels. Inside, 3D printers whip up dishes with speed and precision, no more burnt edges. Now, street vendors can offer complex, creative dishes once impossible on the go. Intricate pastries, sushi rolls, superhero-shaped burgers. The only limit is imagination. The street food scene is about to get a high-tech upgrade. Welcome to the digital age of dining. For street food vendors, 3D printing could be a game changer. less waste, faster prep, and more time to focus on flavor and customer connection. It's not just about efficiency. Think personalized nutrition, edible souvenirs, and new business models. Vendors could expand, build brands, and even franchise their 3D creations. From humble carts to food tech empires, the possibilities are huge. The street food hustle is evolving. The future is bright and delicious. But let's not forget what makes street food special, the human touch. It's the aroma, the sounds, the stories, and the smiles behind every plate. Can a robot replicate the warmth of a chef or the buzz of a busy market? As tech moves forward, we need to keep the heart of street food alive, because in the end, it's about connection, community, and sharing a great meal. First stop, New York City. All right, my friends, enough talk about the future. Let's dish about what's happening right here, right now. While we haven't quite reached Jetsons-level cuisine, 3D printed food is popping up on streets across the globe, testing the waters, and tickling taste buds. And guess what? New York City is leading the charge. Just last year, a company called Print Your Pizza rolled out a food truck right here in the Big Apple. This ain't your average $1-a-slice joint, folks. This bad boy boasts a state-of-the-art 3D printer that churns out custom-made pizzas in minutes. You heard that right, personalized pies built layer by layer with your choice of toppings all crafted before your very eyes. And it's not just pizza, folks. Over in Brooklyn, a company called Ephemeral Eats is serving up 3D printed desserts that are as beautiful as they are delicious. We're talking intricate designs, delicate flavors, all crafted with plant-based ingredients. They've even got a vegan cheesecake that'll make you forget all about the real deal. Now, I know what you're thinking, Chef Stefani, how does it taste? Well, I sent my buddy, Chef Stefani close friend, down to check it out. She's a straight shooter when it comes to food, and she was blown away by the precision and creativity, especially the customized options. Sure, she admitted the texture wasn't exactly like a traditional pizza crust, but the flavor? Spot on. Second stop, London and Singapore. But hold on to your hats, folks, because this ain't just a Big Apple phenomenon. Across the globe, chefs and food innovators are pushing the boundaries of 3D food printing, cooking up a storm of culinary creativity. Over in London, a restaurant called Food Inc. is serving up a fully 3D printed tasting menu. We're talking 9 courses, each one more mind-blowing than the last, all crafted with locally sourced ingredients. From delicate canapes to savory main courses, they're proving that 3D printing can hold its own in the fine dining world. And if you're looking for a taste of the future, head on over to Singapore, where a company called Alchemy Food Tech is creating 3D printed personalized nutrition bars. These ain't your average energy bars, folks. These bad boys are tailored to your specific dietary needs and fitness goals. Want a low-carb, high-protein snack? No problem. Need a gluten-free vegan pick-me-up? They've got you covered. And the coolest part? These 3D printed innovations ain't just limited to fancy restaurants and high-tech labs. In developing countries, 3D food printing is being used to combat malnutrition and food insecurity. By using locally sourced ingredients and customized nutrient profiles, they're creating nutritious, affordable meals for communities in need. Now, I ain't no food scientist, folks, so I decided to tap some culinary geniuses to get their take on this whole 3D printing revolution. First up, I rang up my main man, a friend who is a special chef. Now, this guy's a culinary rock star, known for his innovative techniques and his passion for pushing the boundaries of food. And you know what? He's all in on 3D printing. He sees it as another tool in a chef's arsenal, a way to explore new flavors, textures, and possibilities. He's particularly excited about the potential for customization, for creating dishes tailored to individual dietary needs and preferences. Next, I called up another young chef, host of a chef show and a serious foodie. Now, she got a discerning palate, so I was curious to hear her thoughts. And you know what? She's cautiously optimistic. She agrees that 3D printing has the potential to revolutionize the food industry, but she's also concerned about preserving the soul of cooking, the human touch that makes food so special. And you know what? She's got a point. Technology can be a powerful tool, but it's important to remember that food is about more than just sustenance. It's about culture, tradition, and the joy of sharing a meal with loved ones. So as we venture into this brave new world of 3D printed cuisine, we gotta make sure we don't lose sight of what makes food so damn delicious in the first place. All right, my friends, we've talked tech, we've tasted the future, but now let's get real. Can these two worlds, the raw, gritty energy of street food and the sleek precision of 3D printing, actually coexist? Can you bottle lightning and still call it a storm? That's the million-dollar question. Imagine this. You're walking down the street, your stomach grumbling like a city bus, and you smell that unmistakable aroma. Is it the smoky allure of charcoal-grilled kebabs, the yeasty warmth of a pretzel cart, or the futuristic hum of a 3D printer whipping up vegan chorizo tacos? That's the kind of sensory overload we're talking about. Picture a food truck rally, but instead of just sizzling grills and overflowing fryers, you got holographic menus, customizable nutrient profiles, and robots serving up edible masterpieces. It's a fusion of old-school charm and cutting-edge cool, a culinary collision course that's gonna rock your taste buds. But here's the thing, folks. It's not about replacing one with the other. It's about finding that sweet spot where tradition and technology can work together, enhancing each other like the perfect spice blend. Think of it like this. 3D printing can handle the precision, the customization, the consistency, while the human touch brings the heart, the soul, the generations of flavor that make street food sing. Let's be real, folks. There's some things a machine just can't replicate. You can program a robot to flip a burger, but can you teach it the years of intuition, the love of the craft that goes into every perfect patty? Can an algorithm understand the joy of a street vendor handing you a steaming hot dog, their eyes crinkling with pride? Street food, at its core, is about connection. It's about that shared experience, that moment of pure culinary bliss when you bite into a taco so good it makes you want to slap your mama. In a good way, of course. It's about the stories shared over steaming bowls of noodles, the laughter echoing through the night market, the sense of community that comes from breaking bread together. Now, I'm all for progress, but we gotta be careful not to lose that human element, that spark of passion that makes food more than just fuel. We gotta make sure that as technology evolves, it elevates the human experience, not replaces it. Think of it like this. 3D printing can be the paintbrush, but it's the artist, the street food vendor, who holds the vision, the creativity, the heart and soul of the dish. It's about finding that balance, that harmony, between the precision of technology and the passion of tradition. So there you have it, folks. The street food scene's about to get a serious tech upgrade, and the question ain't if, but when. Will 3D printers be slinging grub alongside seasoned street vendors, whipping up edible masterpieces with laser precision? Will we be downloading digital recipes and printing out personalized pizzas in our pajamas? Only time will tell. But here's the thing that really gets my gears turning. Can technology ever truly capture the heart and soul of street food? That raw, gritty, delicious chaos that makes every bite an adventure? That connection, that energy, that feeling of community you get when you're shoulder to shoulder with your fellow food lovers, devouring some of the best darn food on the planet. Look, I'm all about progress. I love seeing how technology can push the boundaries of what's possible, especially in the kitchen. But some things just can't be replicated with algorithms and microchips. The sizzle of onions hitting a hot griddle, the aroma of spices dancing on the wind, the years of love and tradition poured into every bite. That's the magic of street food. And that's something that comes from the heart, not a hard drive. So what do you say, food fans? Would you try a 3D printed pizza from a food truck? Are you ready for a future where robots and street vendors work side by side, serving up a symphony of flavor? Hit me with your thoughts in the comments below. The future of food is in your hands. For more amazing food and drinks tips and recipes, subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you never miss an update from us. Tell us about your thoughts in the comments section. Check out our other videos for more culinary inspiration. We love you. Until next time, keep cooking, stay adventurous.